Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Weekly Contest 397. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem, this contest. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. This is a live contest recording, so I'm just looking for my notebook, making sure that I have it so that I can write notes. And this is a live contest video, so if you're looking for explanations, each of them will be in its own video. So definitely check that out. It'll be in the description. I did okay on the morning contest, the bi-weekly contest morning here in New York. But we'll see how this goes. I mean, I'm just trying to be respectable. I don't think I have any particular goal right now these days. Yeah, let's get a time update. 15 seconds. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Donation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7-point problem means I'm not sleeping tonight. Alright. Here's some of the differences in the. Okay. A is. Okay, I see. Alright. 2 and 12. Why is this pending? Okay. And this is just regular DP, I think. But can we skip? Or what does that mean? Oh, you choose a starting point. Oh, I see. I misread this actually. Okay. S is equal to negative infinity. Alright. Yeah, I mean, we could just do dynamic programming actually. Remember the cache, Larry. Otherwise, we just plus 3 negative 1. All right. Either to the bottom or to the right, not necessarily adjacent. Okay. At least one move. Zero, 1. To 2, 1. So 7 to 5. Okay. So it's like a hill climbing thing, right? How do I want to do this? I feel like this is the same problem as before, to be honest. But you always want to move to the max. No, that's not true. So then it's going to be n squared if you're not careful. There's cells and then there's a loop, so that, yeah, that's going to be n cubed, I mean n squared. How do we do it? So you can't brute force on every cell as starting. You could brute force on every cell as ending. Right, ending here. You only want to make one move. That's not true. Because you could go crooked. I feel like I'm struggling with this one for some reason. Even though it's clearly DP. But no. Okay, this is a dumber problem, isn't it? 5, 14, because it's just the absolute value of two things, right? Yeah, I'm just being dumb. Okay, that's a easier problem because everything is distributive or whatever. Okay, so then now how do I do it? People should have gotten it though if that's the case, but I guess we'll see. On the max, right? So okay. Isn't that it's actually I guess it is fine. I'm dumb. The max value. That's not quite yet, right? Okay. You have to move at least once, right? This is because I subtract negative infinity in the corner. Also, this is not right. This is 11 and 2. Okay, that's really wrong. So yeah, I guess at least we're doing something. The TP for now. Should have had this one already, to be honest. But I'm getting something wrong here, that's why. Because this should not be 0. I guess that's why. Oh, I guess this happens, we call this. That propagates incorrectly. Okay. 0, 0, we make one move. Yeah, okay, I mean, it's almost close. Is that right? 8, why am I 8? So that from 5 to 14, right? It's gonna be 9. Man, I hate this. Hate debugging. 1 is going to be 3, 1. 14 and so 5 is 0, 1. 0, 1, 5 is 7. Why is that 7? So I messed up something. This is not propagating upwards. But still wrong. Oh, this is dumb. We wrote it in a dumb way. Okay. 9, -1. Hopefully this is good. No silly mistake, please. Oops. Oh, 2 people already got it. I took too long on that one. I should have gotten that much quicker. I knew how to do it, but just silly mistakes. Okay, 2 people got it, so maybe it's doable. Let's focus. Nums is a permutation. Okay. So score of what does that mean? Perms of 0. Nums of perm of 0. Perm 1, I mean. What does that mean? Focus. What does this mean? Nums is a given nums. So perm of 0. So this is what we're trying to figure out, I guess. And then here, and we want to try the minimum possible score. So nums of perm 1. I don't know what this means. Oh, 14. Huh. 14 makes a difference. I missed that part actually. So then now we can figure it out, right? Yeah, okay. This is stupid, actually. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. We want to get the permutation, not just the best. That's fine. We can path reconstruct. Okay, yeah, we can path reconstruct. We want the minimum score. I mean, it's annoying, but it's doable. We'll get it. We're not. We might not get it quickly, but we'll get it. If okay, so go. If R is less than best. I'll just focus on this for now. I hope that's good enough. What's 2 to the 14 anyway? Calculating. Oops. 2 to the 14 is 16,000. Okay, so 200 times 14. Okay, that should be okay. Yeah. Okay, so then now without it, we would say okay, so this perm 0 is this. Then what's perm 1? So we have to brute force perm 1. So this is actually the last one, it's not the first one, but we have to do the 0, right? How do I do this again? Okay, so I have to do the score here. Maybe this isn't so easy, because it's 14 cube and that just adds up, right? I mean, 3 people on it, so it's not impossible. 14 times 2 to the 14. It's kind of close though. I mean, we have a last, but then the start. That's too much. 14 cube. I have to do an optimization. I do need a start. Am I doing okay? Q3 killed me. I shut down that one quicker, but could get this one quicker and that would solve it. But I thought it would be straightforward, but maybe not. I need to make one optimization. Nums of perm 1. Nums of perm 1. So nums of perm 1 is going to be the next digit. Focus. Am I being dumb? People are getting it, so I think I am. But I had to score here. Oh, this is forced. Is it? Perm of n minus 1. So this is the last number minus this number. There's the difference, right? It's not just minus, otherwise maybe we'll take it out or something. These arrows do nothing. Whatever. I mean, everyone is just doing it this way, I think. But because this thing is the big issue, the base case. Yeah, I can't really think. Okay. No, it's 14. This is hard, but not apparently hard enough for people to not to get. What am I missing? If what I'm missing is C++, then I'm gonna be sad. But 14 times 14 times, it's like 44 million. Is that fast enough in Java? And then you have to path reconstruct, right? I don't know, do people get 5 wrong answers? What does that even mean? People are getting it though. I don't know how to do it without another factor. How do I take out can I take out absolute value? Is there a way? Can I brute force the last digit? Does that even help? If I brute force this, no, I don't think so. Because it's just the same problem. You were getting it though, so I'm not doing well in this one. Let's just write it dumbly. All right. Maybe it'll give me some ideas. Where's it go? That's the only thing that I need it for. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let's just do this and then we'll see what. I don't know. I don't have any ideas right now. I know that I will have to rewrite this at some point for path reconstruction, but still. Yeah, I mean, I knew that it would work, but I mean, this feels very slow. Can I take advantage of some of this? I mean, is there some way to make this look faster? I don't know, 2 seconds for one thing. I feel like there's no. That's why I hate this. Is like I have to guess whether this will time out in a real case. But oh well. Okay. No one cares, Larry. think that works. So give me now. Takes 2 seconds, but and that is the next index. Guess I should print this out or just even return it. Oh, that's a little bit wrong. Oh, current mask as well. Okay, I mean, not hard, but it's just possibly might take forever and timeout. I am going to ask ChatGPT to convert this to Java. Just because, yeah, I don't know. This does not need to be that big, to be honest. Is this how Java works? Yeah, I didn't think so. Yeah. Can you implement cache? Maybe Java is not the way to go. It's making me do like this weird thing. Also, I just feel like that's not how you declare things in general. Name a ChatGPT. All right. Let's see if C++ is better, but all right, let's make this. Does it have caching? It does, but it uses string caching, which maybe is a little bit dubious. I don't know what I feel about this though. Is it gonna time out? This takes even longer than my Python code. because of all this conversion thing. I don't know. Should I submit it? You're doing it. I mean, a lot of people. All right, let's just. Let's try again, but without the crazy string things. Well, that's not good. One of these is 2 to the n. Line 63. Well, that's not good. I don't even know if this is right. But next is I'm debugging this thing instead of actually thinking, which is actually also sad. Not that I know how to do it. Seems that this has in code. Just to make sure. So there's never been, so I'm just like going to a state that doesn't exist, which is the real issue. Am I doing something funky here? And so 1.2 is it, right? Why am I? Oh, because, okay. I'm dumb, or at least it worked in Python, but in here it's a little bit silly. Alright, is that even right, at least? It's right. I don't know if it's fast enough. YOLO. If it times out, yeah. I mean, it's so hard to tell because this one's in like, you know, not too slow, which is very sad. How many people got on this now? 44 people. Okay, how do I optimize this? All right, spend too much time on this. Can I? I'm like missing one thing. Maybe more. Okay, so there's this thing. Can I take out the start and then do 2 DPs? Maybe. Like, what if I do this? So then now this is positive. Go call it maybe Pico. I guess that's it, actually. That's a very clever way. Right, so then now, what does this mean? Is that even reasonable? So then now, that means that it's going to be this subtracting I don't know if this works, to be honest, so I guess we'll see. And then now this is going to be I. No, this is I plus. Okay. And then now we don't need the current start anymore. Right. The previous we have to redo. Okay, done. Because that was actually not that bad to redo. Well, I think this has to be redone. Okay, right, just run it real quick. I know that it wasn't going to work, but I was looking for some stuff. Go. Negative go. Guess I didn't need to call it Pico. It's very confusing, but at least it prevents it from. Okay, but then now we have to do something like if best type is equal to 0. Yeah, okay. Is that at least right for the answers? Nope. Tell me why. So if best start is best is weird. Okay, I mean best is definitely weird because of the negative. I thought I could just do it this way. So the last is going to be this always returns the least. So it returns a negative thing, but if last is too big, then what happens? How do we do that? I'm trying to take out the absolute value, but this way is definitely not working. I don't know how to remove this. I was hoping this would. I was just very. Was hoping for some luck, to be honest. I wasn't confident about this. So it just looked very awkward. It should be like num sub star minus this, right? How did I factor that in? Without. Can I get rid of this for loop? Probably not. Not the way that this is done. I built that very fast. Still don't know how to do it. Do I need to try every possibility? Is that a thing that I have to consider? I don't know how to reconcile this. I'm just playing around with it. I don't think this makes sense. Okay, how do I? Problem is, I mean, this is so fast. It's just that it's hard to tell how many inputs there are. Is it any slower? Is there any distribution of stuff that makes it hard? I have 40 minutes. I don't have any idea, to be frank. And this is just very long now because I don't have the next start thing. How do I get rid of it? I have no idea. This part that I can't figure out how to do. I think this is wrong anyway, it's num survive. Did that fix thing? That'll be funny with it. I just kind of messed it up. No, it doesn't change it. No, it doesn't change anything. Because that should not be 0 in any case. No idea. A lot of smart people though. I can't tell if I'm just missing an optimization. I mean, painfully obvious. I don't think if we ignore the last one. That changes a lot of things. I don't think you can just skip it. What am I saying? And that's the end to the 14 is just like some fun thing. Would be funny though. I would laugh. I mean, I don't know how to go around it. I guess I should run the C++ version. It is faster. Is that true? Why? Why is that? Maybe just luck. Well, we know that reverse is it's not true. It's just not like if that's the answer for all of them. That would be funny. But can I bound this? How do I bound this? No, how would I bound this? Does that even matter? Are there impossible states that we don't care about? No, because you could always just. Well, you have to look at all the other ones without the incoming thing to find. Yeah, I don't know. Half an hour left. I still have no idea. But so then, what results are even, which makes sense. So can I break that apart? Does that give me anything? Knowing that the results are even. They're even because if one thing is one away, Why is this 12? I did have a pattern in my head until I saw this is 12. I don't know how to, but if there was a pattern, then I don't know, this wouldn't have been n is equal to 14. I still don't know if this is a math problem or programming problem. How do I dissect this? I feel like I'm missing something here. I don't know if I'm doing anything useful. Why is this 6? Because of 3 minus 0 maybe? Well, 3 minus 0 and then 0 minus 1, 1 minus 2, I think. If I could early terminate, maybe that would help, but I don't know. Yeah, maybe I don't know this one. We can just eliminate one of these, but I can't. trying to figure out the tie-breaking strategy. But it's not symmetric, which is actually a little bit surprising. Is 0 always the first element? Is that it? That's what I've been noticing, right? If that's it, I'm not gonna be happy. That would be hilarious. Am I still in C++? No. Where's my I? YOLO. Well, I mean, that is actually pretty nice. Not gonna lie, that was a nice one. Like it fooled me for so long, and this it is a disaster. Because the rest of the problem is easy, but I don't know how to prove that. That's. Let me clean this up and then we submit. No, I mean that's fine. It's fine. Let me clean up a little bit. Why is num sub 0? Oh, because you might 0 at the end, but why does that matter? Oh, because lexicographically. I guess lexicographically it makes no, because by symmetry we can vote, because the answer is going to be a rotation of this, and so if the answer is a vote, oh, that is so okay. I mean, yeah, I mean, I had most of it written. Like, I guess that's how people got in 10 minutes. It took me a while, because, okay, wow, that is a very good observation. I mean, I only noticed it by pattern, but that is, because if one, oh, wow. I guess we don't. Right. Just cleaning it up a little bit. That is good. Okay. I mean, I accept defeat. It was. I feel like that's actually a very cool problem. I mean, I would be much happier, obviously, if I got it right. But yeah. Oh, that is a very nice observation, actually. That's so far behind her. It is what it is. Oh, wait. Oh, let me look for shoutouts. I think, well, I mean, this is like a little bit behind as well. But, yeah, I'll get some shout. Oh, shout out to Joseph. Congrats. Anyone else for my? I guess that's it. And that's if you know it, if you are in my Discord, give a comment, and if I notice your thing, I'll give you a shout out. But yeah, that is a good one. I if I didn't print it out, I would have never noticed it. It took me a while. I was trying to figure out why because that's the thing that I was doing with this, because that it was in theory reverse it, but then I noticed that it didn't reverse the first number, which I guess is probably because that took forever. Wow. I mean, I knew how to do the core idea immediately, but wow. Because I was, and this is actually a bug in how I was doing it. Nope. Oh, because this is not the one with the for loop, that's why. Okay, that's fine. Because the reason is because actually, if I had kept this and instead I did this, and I actually messed this up because I changed it here and not here, then I would have noticed that all the answers would be a little different. But because of my bug, I noticed that, okay, maybe I messed something up here along the way. Oops. But yeah, because of my bug, all my stuff still started with 0. And it didn't really connect it to me for a while, but yeah. Yeah. Whew. That's all I have for today. I mean, I probably could have done better, should have done better, whatever. My rating just updated, or my ranking just updated to 126. So maybe that's a little bit accurate. I don't know. Oh, remix happened. Well, I mean, this is delayed, so it's unclear whether he actually got it or not. And Yon Sean as well. This is this is chaos. This problem is like chaos. But I mean, yeah, the proof is easy once you know it. But you know. Anyway, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.